Good afternoon everyone, it's Steve KI5JUF. So today's video, I just want to go over a very good experience we had with MFJ. So this is what failed several months ago, probably right around Christmas time. This is what I was originally running my FT991A on until I went and bought the PowerWorks, I think it's the SS300W or something is the model number on it. So the story here today, what I want to talk about is these guys, MFJ, and I want to show you something. This is something Dad actually found. I had put this thing in the closet because I went back to HRO and talked to them about it, and they really didn't want to have anything to do with me on it. They just kind of said, you know, you're on your own, and they didn't want to do anything with it. So I kind of figured, well, you know what, you buy something, 115 bucks. You know, I don't know if there's a warranty on it. The guy told me, he says it at the HRO, I think he said it probably won't be covered under warranty. But check that out right there. Dad picked it up. Dad kept wanting me to get it returned. I'm glad he did, because look at that. 1-year warranty, no matter what. So, even though I didn't damage it, and technically I did open the screws up to take a look at it, and I thought for sure that would, you know, void the warranty. And they still replaced it. So a very good experience, and they actually sent it's a brand new one. They just sent a new one in the box, and it's good to go. And it's got the banana plug connectors on the back, and it actually does have some PowerWorks stuff on there. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. I can actually use that. That's pretty cool, because what I have today is, guess what? Anderson crimp connector. So that is really cool. So now I have a power supply that I can directly pop in and replace if my other one fails. So very good experience. Again, just wanted to share that with you. Anytime you buy something from, you know, like guys like I think at DX Engineering and stuff, I think they'll be a little more proactive, but some of these places you buy from, the moment it's warranty, they don't know you. They just don't remember who you are, and they really don't want to deal with you because their business, they make their money on new products. You know, warranty is more of a, you know, a drag for them. So let me show you real quick let's see here. Real quick, this was a great experience. I mean, this was amazing. So here's what happened. We shipped the radio to them on Tuesday, May the 25th, and I only counted business days. 1, 2, 3. Memorial Day, 4, that should be 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in actuality, they returned it to us, and keep in mind I shipped it FedEx ground to Stockton, Mississippi. So it probably didn't get there till Thursday, maybe Friday. They got it Tuesday, Wednesday, opened it up, probably looked at it and said, okay, warranty, and sure enough, they had one coming FedEx. And so anyway, just real quick story I wanted to share with you. One of the things I'm kind of learning about this, I kind of like DX Engineering. They, you know, at least when we called the guy, he said, yeah, listen, here's what you need to do. You need to get a hold of this guy at MFJ. So the guys actually at DX Engineering, even over the phone, they just were like, okay, look, here's what you need to do. Get a hold of this guy. He'll give you an RMA number, ship it out, and they'll return it under warranty. So that kind of help is good, because I honestly had kind of written it off as a dud. So anyway, that's all for this video. Again, I just wanted to share with you a great experience with DX Engineering and them getting us over to these guys in Stockton, Mississippi. And I'll actually put the service address and everything in the body of the email. So if you have something fail, I'll put a phone number and an email. And I promise you, these guys from MFJ, they're going to get on it, and they're going to get your equipment back, because I think these guys really get it. I mean, if you're a ham operator and you lose a power supply, well, not everybody has enough money to go stock a couple of them on the shelf in the garage. And I think these guys get that. So anyway, I just wanted to share a very positive experience with MFJ, and also with the help of DX Engineering's phone support. I mean, they didn't have to help us. They could have just told us, hey, you're on your own. You know, all we do is sell stuff. But those little extra things I mean, with me, they go a long way. They go a long way. If I'm ready to spend $1,200, DX Engineering, they'll probably be my first call. But anyway, just a personal experience I want to share with you. But remember, with these guys, remember that right there. 1-year warranty, no matter what. So anyway, from KI5JUF, this is Steve. Have a great day. And like I said, anytime I come across something really positive, I just want to let everybody know about it, so you can kind of have the same experience. Or if you get in a jam, you know, you might, reach out to me. I might be able to help you too with what I know. Okay, KI5JUF Steve 73. Have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for watching.